Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from Extreme Terrain, and today I'm here with the Smittybilt Atlas doorstep fitting your 2007 to 2018 Wrangler JK. This is for the JK owner looking for an affordable and convenient hinge-mounted step to gain some ease of access to the rooftop. This step is going to provide a secure and safe way to access any cargo that you may have stored on top of your Jeep. The step is made of 1/8-inch steel and has a black powder coating, which is going to provide a sleek look and corrosion resistance. This step is clear zinc coated and has teeth on it, ensuring that you have a firm footing and you won't go slipping off. Not only does this act as a step, but it's going to provide you with additional tie-down points, and it even has a nice built-in bottle opener. Now this step can support up to 350 pounds, and it comes as a complete kit. This will work for 2- and 4-door models as it installs easily in the hinges, so there's no drilling required. It's a very affordable option on the site at around $80 for a well-built step, and it even has a great 5-star rating from customers. As far as install goes, I'm gonna give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches since you can install this in under 30 minutes using basic hand tools. Now with that being said, let's hop into the install. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to secure the door. We're gonna be removing the bolts out of both of the hinges, and we don't want the door to drop or shift. I'm gonna use tape to attach the door to the windshield pillar, and you can place shims in the bottom here, and that'll keep the door up. I want to make sure that this tape is nice and tight. That way it will hold the door up a good amount. So to remove the 4 bolts out of the factory hinges, we're going to use a T50 Torx. So now that we have our factory bolts out, we're ready to install the step. Now Smittybilt provides you with brand new bolts to use and rubber gaskets. These rubber gaskets are going to go in between the step and the door hinge so we don't scratch the paint. So we're going to start with the top here and get our bolts in. We're going to do the same thing for the bottom, placing that rubber gasket behind there and then getting our new bolts installed. So now that we have all of our hardware in, we're gonna go and tighten everything up using a T40 Torx. You wanna make sure that your hinges line back up with the paint marks and that your door didn't fall or drop or shift. So once you have everything tightened up, you're ready to remove your tape, and if you use shims down below, you can remove those as well. You'll want to make sure that your door opens and closes properly. So that's going to wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.